Heading north out of Milford, we're headed up to the wind farms. Most people have seen these at a distance, but we want to get a good close-up look and show you just how big these are. Even as you're approaching these, it's hard to tell to get a perspective of how big they are. But we're going to get up closer and take a look, and we'll show you what we found. I have a nice kiosk here with some interesting facts and information about the area. Here we are, right in the middle of them. Let's see what happens when we drive up right to the base of one of these towers. These will give you an idea of the size of these towers for the wind turbines. Next time you go by them, you really should stop and take a look at one up close. They're really pretty amazing. Just look at how small the cruiser is under this wind turbine. And here's Linda standing in front of the turbine to show you its size. This thing's really noisy. Was that a fan up there, honey?
Yeah, right there near the steps. Right near the top of the steps.
They are noisy. And here's 6 more reasons you might want to come up here. The Lincoln Mine, the Rock Corral giant batholith, or maybe to see the Obsidian Beds. How about the Blundell Georthermal Plant? And let's not forget Negro Mag's Brothel, or the Chocolate Chip Cabin. That was worth finding.